Hey everyone, so this video is about how to get these emblems in better shape. As you can see, there's some some light scratching on it on the surface. It's a little dull. It's not real shiny. So, and also some of the letters, you can see right through them. Like, look at the C on the Pontiac. When I move my finger up, you can see my finger behind it. So we can take care of things like that. So, so what I'm going to do is show you two things. First thing is using Meguiar's Plastic X to polish up the emblem. So I'm going to show you that first. So with that, it's pretty straightforward. You can read the directions on Meguiar's. I've had good luck with it. Basically, just take Meguiar's. I got just a regular old paper towel, nothing special. And I'm going to put a little dab on the towel. Not a lot, just a little. And I'm going to basically put it on and then rub it in and then buff it out. And you'll see the difference. And you can do this multiple times, it doesn't have to just be once. So I got that all good. And I'm gonna wipe it off it. And you'll see some of those surface scratches are gone. And it's also shiny. Now you can see the difference. Okay, so next, the letters. So as I said, if you look at the C in the Pontiac, you can see my finger in the background. See, it's coming through, right through. For that, we have this, it's called Molotov Liquid Chrome. M-O-L-O-T-O-V. I got this on Amazon, but you could probably find it in like Hobby Lobby. And this is a liquid chrome pen. As you can see what it looks like close up. Basically, what you're going to do is just shake it like this, real good. And I'm going to put a little dab on the paper towel to make sure it's working. And all I'm going to do is flip it over, and on the C in the Pontiac, so I'll give you a little demo. You see it's going through it, and you really can't see, if I hold this up with the blue, you really can't see part of the C. So I'm gonna go, and I'm just gonna basically go over the back of the C and just put the chrome on it. And I'm gonna hit the whole, I'll hit the whole C even though the top's already good. That's what it looks like now. And if I flip it over, no more finger, and the C looks like the other letters. Now, another thing about, I don't have it with me, I'll show you how to do something else. So, for some of these things, they get kind of faded, and this probably isn't a good example, but I have another one over here that I have. So, if you look at, let me pick this is a different one I have. Basically, all right, let's look at the D on the division. So you see how the D, the letter's all there, but there are parts that are just missing. And if I put my finger behind it, it's not clear. I mean, it's not coming through. So the chrome backing that was on it didn't get chipped away or anything. But what ends up happening is the back of these letters, you see they have this glue. I think some of this brown glue just ends up going right through the chrome and takes over for the color. And that's what happened here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take my fingernail for now, and I'm going to scrape away the back of it. Well, That won't work. Let me go up and get the tool I used before for another ladder. Okay, so I have this multi-use jackknife, and I have just one of the pieces here. Actually, that's the wrong one. I want to get this one right over here. So it's basically just a little sharp knife. I'm going to take the back of the D again, and I'm just going to kind of just scratch away, you know, the D. So this will get rid of that brown gunk that's kind of going through it. And I did this on another letter already before I taped it. Little thing right there. So it doesn't take a lot to get rid of the letters, of the back of these letters. Now be careful not to hit any part that's not the letter, because that green, you can't really replace that. At least all right, now look at the D. Now you can see my finger behind it when I put it up, right? So now it's good. Now I'm going to basically hit it with the chrome pen and shake it up again. All right, I'm just going to basically hit that D. And it's just a simple trace. That's what it looks like. And if I flip it over, you can see the D is now all one color, one solid color, and can't see anything, just can't see through it anymore. So yeah, that's it. I already polished this with Meguiar, so I can't redo that again. What I would love to be able to do is the arrow part. You see how the arrow, let me show you maybe in this one. This one doesn't have it. So the arrow part here has some discoloration. So I did this without thinking, and I just basically hit the back of it with the chrome pen, but it didn't do any good because the brown stuff had seeped through it. All this brown back here kind of seeped through it. So I was gonna basically try to maybe like somehow sand away some of the arrow and redo it with the chrome pen, but it just didn't seem like that would come out that good, because it also has an arrow line, a green line going around it, and you got that little like cross in the middle that's not chromed out. So it would have been more work, and I didn't really want to mess up this medallion because it's in good shape. You know, I could probably practice on another one I have that's not as good a shape, which I can't find at that point right now. But anyway, so that's what it is. So Meguiar's Plastic X to polish it out, and then a Molotov liquid chrome for the letters. Yep, and that's it.